was just doing a video chat with Naisha and Pooja. It's been almost 2 or 3 days since they went to their mom's place and I'm already missing them. Abhi, I wanted to talk something. Let's forget them. You people are not concerned about Pooja and Shriman. A lot of you people are asking, where is Naisha? Where is Naisha? 25 साल से इधर बैठ के कैमरा पकड़ के I'm doing vlogs. No one is interested in the creator, dude. What is this? I'm just kidding. They will be back soon. They have to be back soon because I told you, right? Poor Naisha. We're doing Gundu for her this week. I know I'm not totally against it, but I would not encourage doing this year. She looks so cute with the hair. I know it will come back, but still, I mean, there should be some scientific reason behind it. Why do they do this mundan and all that? Do you guys know? So in case you guys know, please comment section में डाल दो. I educate myself and we can educate other subscribers as well. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, guys? कैसे हो? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. This this bada tripod is definitely being helpful to me. I don't need to hold this camera for such a long time and get back aches and neck aches. Almost as tall as me, dude. And oh yes, you guys remember in my recent vlog I showed you one box and I said I have to send it back. After it comes back I'll tell you. It is the clear visor for the Schuberth. I ordered it, but the problem is it's a bigger size. So what's happening is when I put it on it, it is coming aage thoda, there is a lot of gap in between. So obviously you don't get a proper seal. When you close it, it should seal here. I had to send it back again. And it is not cheap, literally 5,000 rupees, 4,999, sorry, 1 rupee less for 5,000. But I thought it's wise to spend 4,000 rupees instead of getting a completely new helmet which might cost, you know this cost, right? This is a bloody 70,000 rupees, dude. Of course, I did not buy it. It was sponsored by Schuberth Germany. Abhi going aage, I don't think they'll be doing that. By the way, I definitely need to go and cut my hair. As you can see, it's grown a lot. I don't understand one thing. Girls, if they grow so much, it doesn't look bad. If guys ka thoda bhi aa gaya na, it looks so bad. I mean, that's a very weird comparison. But oh yes, one more thing. As you can see, our hair is back because I'm on my maintenance calories. So yes, diet and stress, these two things play a major role here in your hair. Everything affects here first. If your nutrition is perfect, 70% of the job is done. But the 30%, bahar se bhi you need to nourish it properly. From a couple of weeks, I started using Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Oil hair range. It has been working really well for me. Before, when I used to do this, there was like at least 7 or 8 strands of hair every time I did it. It freaked me out. Now that time when all this started happening, when my hair loss was like at full swing, I started researching about how to stop the hair loss. And then I learned that ancient practice in tradition, they used to extract onion black seed oil at home and they used to apply that for hair loss. And that worked like miracles. The Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil is infused with onion black seed oil and is blended with other essential oils like almond oil, castor oil, jojoba, olive and coconut oils. Each one has its own property. They're rich in vitamin A, B1, B6, vitamin E, and this is properly 100% cold pressed oil. This routine that I started following has 3 products in it: onion black seed hair oil, the shampoo and the conditioner. Take some generous amount of this onion black seed hair oil. It comes with a comb applicator, as you can see, which makes application very easy and it helps the oil reach to your scalp. Give it a good massage and the best part is the oil is absorbed very quickly. After that, wash it off with the red onion black seed oil shampoo, and then in the end, once you rinse it off properly, use the red onion black seed oil hair conditioner. This definitely helps in combating hair thinning, hair loss, general hair damage, and it properly nourishes the hair follicles right from the root till the tip of the hair, and it makes your hair nice and shiny. Best part is it suits all hair types. If your prime intent is to make your hair strong and frizz-free, do try the Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Oil range. Also, it is free from sulfates, parabens and silicones. It is made up of natural ingredients and no harmful chemicals used in it. All the links will be in the description box below. You can use my coupon code SHRIMANKOTARU20 and get flat 20% off at buywow.in. Do not forget to be wow naturally. And always one thing I've observed, I'm standing here and vlogging, I just observed that there's so many pillows in this bedroom. All this is for Naisha. We put all the pillows there so that she doesn't fall that side. I sleep down with that mattress. Shriman stays in 5-star hotels but doesn't matter. When he comes home, he'll sleep on the floor. I'm not trying to show off. That is a fact. Abhi kuch bhi bolo, people will be like, Shriman is showing off. Baat ka nahi aan raha. Oh yes, I'm talking about these pillows. Please, if someone knows where to buy 5-star level ka pillows, I really love them, yaar. They're so fluffy and nice. My head sinks in so nicely. These are like good pillows. Like, the job done, they're good, but I want those pillows, yaar. I'm shamelessly asking, Siggu lekunda adutuna, if someone knows where to buy it, please send it to me. Openly I'm asking, in case any one of you have traveled to places like Marriott, Taj or any such fancy Hyatt, Hilton kind of hotels, you will see that their bedding is next level amazing and their pillows are to uske upar next level amazing. In case any of my subscribers working there, please send me one pillow now. I will pay you. I don't want it for free. Okay, now is the time to reveal what all I got for the BMW 1250 GS Adventure. One by one, all these products have been coming, and finally, not everything came, but I think 90% of it came. I think I ordered some 7 parts. All these are not at all stock BMW parts. These are all third-party parts, and these are all like utility accessories which BMW doesn't make. And even if BMW happens to make such stuff, it is gonna be next level expensive. So no thanks. This is enough. Actually, this is not an accessory. Arey, seriously, this is too much, dude. కెమెరా పట్టుకుంటే చాలు ఎవడో ఒకటి పైనుంచి కిందకి వెళ్ళి ఏడబడతాడు. Pakka 200% in my last Janma I did something wrong. I think I hijacked a flight. All the pilots on this planet have a problem with me. Whenever I pick up the camera, some flight will pass by. By the way, this is not a product that I ordered. This is my Erica lights. I removed this from the Tiger and I thought I'll put it on the BMW, but then Clearwater was kind enough to come forward and sponsor me once again. They sent me some really good, amazing next level lights. These are like okay lights compared to those. So yeah, we'll put this back. If these lit up the entire stadium, those are gonna lit up at least 2 to 3 stadiums. So usually the problem with ordering these products is these come literally after 30 to 40 days. And I was like, okay, anyways, we don't have trips. And anyways, I couldn't get it while I was going to Ladakh. I was like, chalo, order karenge. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't come, it is gonna be a little bit of a loss for sure. Kind of a gamble. But luckily everything has come. I think so. 5 products came, I think. 2 very important products have to come. So as you can see, this is the light bracket. This is made specially for the BMW GS Adventure. This goes right under the beak of the bike. This is where Clearwater's fit. Actually, the company Denali makes it, but Denali's bracket is too expensive, dude. It costs you somewhere around 11 or 12,000 rupees, which doesn't really make sense. Let's see if this doesn't hold up. I think this should hold up. It's a metal thing. In case it doesn't hold up, then we'll order that one. You remember I made a template and all that for the TFT screen guard. Basically, I was anyways ordering all this stuff, so I found this as well. 250 rupees mein do, like properly pre-cut BMW screen guard. Same thing, original BMW ka screen guard is costing you 4,500, close to 5,000 rupees, dude. I'm not mad to spend that much. This is a BMW's front fender extender. Oh, one more very interesting thing. This one, though the BMW's TFT is bright enough, sometimes there are situations where there's reflection directly on the TFT display and you cannot see it. This is gonna help with that. I think right now I can fix these 2 things. This is the hood and the screen guard. We'll fix these 2 and rest baki ka for the lights and all that. I think in this week I'm planning to go to the BMW showroom and get all this fixed. We'll keep the bike ready. Abhi to, like I told you, there are no major travel plans on the bike at least. October se to that is like proper riding season, so I'm gonna explore quite a few places that time, and rides are gonna start soon. If I come out, that's enough. Flights everywhere. ఏం లోల్లిరా ఇది? ఇదైతే మీదకే వస్తుంది. Seriously? Anyways, बहुत दिन हो गया BMW को देख के. I feel really good looking at it. How are you, beast? So like I told you, I'll be putting these 2 things, TFT hood and screen guard. Shouldn't be taking more than 5 minutes each. This is so pretty simple, just the snap on. Forgot the keys. Let me go get the keys. We don't need to put any key. Just stand with the key close to it and that's it. Only thing is, if you lose this now, it's going to be very expensive. That is the reason we put an air tag, or in case I lose it, it is pretty easy to find. I hope it is working here. I never tested it out after Ladakh. Pretty simple. Just, oh yes, it is active. Sriman's bike key. Find. Works perfectly. We paid, no, it should work. Okay, actually I've decided to do one thing. I'll not put the screen guard right now because the one that Sriman did Jogad and put, it looks pretty fine. Why to disturb it? There are a few bubbles here and there, but should work. I think we'll put the hood. You see, this is how it looks. It gives a little bit of protection from sun's reflection. Let's see, I said to theek lag raha, but when you ride it, you'll understand if it works or not. A couple of more accessories I'm getting which are pretty interesting. I think they'll be coming in another 10 or 15 days. Yes, that's how it is. Amazon spoiled us so much that we get deliveries like within 2 days or sometimes even the same day. Morning order lago, evening tak aa jayega. But otherwise, any other company, or especially if it is like international that has to pass through customs and all that, all these small things, they get passed easily through customs. But still, a wait time is going to be like 35 days, 45 days, 55 days. There's unlimited wait time. And as here is our street twin, our darling baby street twin. It's doing pretty good. Today I wanted to take it out. It is nice and sunny as well. And oh yes, work has started that side as well for the pergola. Exactly the same thing is gonna come in that corridor as well. And the funny part is now it is fine, right? It's all sunny. But exactly Hyderabad mein around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it gets very dark and it starts mashing rain. Like yesterday it rained so much. I thought once again it's gonna get flooded. Like almost 3 to 4 hours. See that the work is going on, so I doubt if I can take my car out and go. Car is over here. I need to go like that and they put a frame there And like I told you, it's gonna get really dark once it's around 4 o'clock. It's 4:20 right now, and you see that full cloud cover over there. How do you think the quality is in this camera? Right, I'm using a very tiny small camera which is as small as my iPhone, even smaller than that I think. But I think the quality is better than an iPhone, right? The reason I'm using this camera is because, you know, you see that huge camera out there? People are getting intimidated looking at that size. They're like, this dude is doing something, he's capturing some movie shots. I don't want to show which model I'm using right now because I'm testing it out. Someone sent it to me to test it out. If I really like it, then unboxing and all, I did it already. That clips I'll show it to you later. The thing is, night shots are not going to be as good as that beastie A7S3. A7S3 का quality is next level. It is like a movie camera literally. अभी छोटा सा camera तो no one even cares. I can just slide it into my front pocket or back pocket. No one even cares. We can be more discreet and still create vlogs. So whenever there's like a difficult situation where I cannot carry that huge 5 kilo ka camera, in those situations I'll be using this one. Quality drop is gonna be there, but how is the audio? Right now, because we are inside the car, there's no external disturbances much, but when we go outside, it's gonna get a little bit tricky. Let's try it out. If it works out, then all the travel vlogs and all that, definitely I'll use that 5 kilo ka camera. But till then, when I go to places where it says, sir, no cameras allowed, there I'm gonna use this camera. Hopefully they'll not stop this. You see this particular Scorpio in front of me? This is the first time I'm seeing something like this, dude. It's called Scorpio Getaway. Till now I never knew such a car existed. It's like a pickup truck with some hood and all. Trust me, this is the first time I'm seeing it. And by the way, right side देखो full on next level traffic शुरू हो गया. This side तो average speed is around 35-45 kilometers per hour, which is pretty good. But good thing I did not get the bike. No, actually it's a bad thing because this side the full on sun is shining. Look at it, dude. But on the right side you can see the clouds are slowly forming, which means there might be a chance of rain. Google shows a 70% chance of rain. Sriman again started back with his forecast. Weather forecast has to go on this channel, no doubt. Charan, you wouldn't imagine what's going on. One second. Hello? No, Nikosame wait just. Charan, what is that big camera? What is that? Such a huge camera. How do you vlog? Such a big camera, dude. You should have something like very tiny and small, you know.
Washroom ke
Washroom lo das bitera. It is so nice to vlog with this, especially if you come out to places like this. Instead of carrying that, you give that camera here. Give it here.
I have a new name for you. Karcha King.
Do you think we'll karcha on all this? It was sent.
Oh.
Focus koncham dubutundi.
You want to see the big boss?
Sony A7S3, the bomb of cameras, but oh, by the way, you can also attach a microphone like this. Take it, I can't hold your camera, it's too huge. Only thing I'm trying to test it out here is it capturing ambient noises. Lighting is also okay here. Entry mein people will ask, sir, big camera is not allowed. So no one asked me, no. I just slipped it into my pocket and got it inside.
Question is, how much better is this over a phone?
Much better. The phone, you want to see the comparison? I'll show you. Is this better? Audio quality?
We have to export and see.
Yeah, now
Screen
I don't know.
looks better there, but
Screen is obviously better. The best thing is this doesn't have noise. iPhone will have a lot of noise.
Flippable screen.
Oh yes, we have flippable screen. I can see myself. And it seems this camera has a stock mic, which is kind of a shotgun, miniature shotgun. We have to give range update as well. Charan, you were making fun of my Seltos, no? We got 9.6 now. Actually, before coming to Funnel Hill, I'll put the Funnel Hill. Coffee peena hai na, we have to go. That time I got 11.8 kilometers per liter. So Seltos, good job. Only thing is you have to drive very slowly, aram se like a monk. Look who is here.
Why అసలు స్లో నడపడం ఏంది నువ్వేంది స్లో
అంటే we always put it in sports mode, so I'm getting 6-7 mileage.
50 లక్షల కారు 3 ఇచ్చినా తప్పులేదు, 9 లక్షల కారు 10 ఇచ్చినా పర్లేదు, 20 లక్షల కారు 6 ఇవ్వడం
ఇది బాగుందిరా. ఈ రెండు నేను తీసుకుంటున్నా.
అది అన్ని తినకూడదు రే, అది ఒక్కటే తినాలి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్.
చాలా స్వీట్ ఉంది.
ఓ షుగర్ పట్టుకొని శివ దగ్గర రావడం ఎంత డేంజర్ అంటే, ఇది ఎంత డేంజర్.
ఏదో మొత్తం ఇచ్చినట్టు ఇందులో ఇంకొకటి ఉందిరా.
వన్ చూయింగ్ ఐ ఈట్ ఫర్ 1 day. వాడు ఒకటేసారి 4 వేసుకున్న నోట్లో.
జీరో ప్రోటీన్ అంట, నువ్వు ఎందుకు తింటున్నావు అసలు?
Because zero sugar, zero carbs, it's basically just gum.
ఇంత
జీరో
షుగర్
షుగర్ ఏంది? నోట్ నిండా షుగర్.
By the way, a lot of people ask me what chewing gum I use. Trident.
దీంట్లో ఆల్కహాల్ ఉందిరా, చూసాయి. షుగర్ ఆల్కహాల్
ప్రోటీన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, సో కాంపన్సేట్ చేసుకో.
షుగర్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఏంటది?
షుగర్ ఆల్కహాల్
అంతది కొట్టింది.
షుగర్ ఆల్కహాల్ అంటే దట్ ఇస్
షుగర్ ఉంది అని
1 grama.
ఏం తింటున్నావురా? గమ్ము తిని నో షుగర్ నో ప్రోటీన్.
Shiva, what's happening? We're not able to see you these days. Oh, by the way, I met him last when he had clean shave. Now, dekho. Gaddam perigi.
వస్తుంది గడ్డం.
Aditya different case. Morning he'll shave, evening tak he'll have this much.
వాడు పెస్టిసైడ్స్ ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ అన్నీ వస్తాడు.
పెస్టిసైడ్స్ అయితే వేయాలి గడ్డంలో. డైనోసార్లు దొరికినా తప్పలేదు. He might be coming. Adi might be coming.
అది బీప్ చేసుకో.
బీప్ చేయకూడదురా, డౌట్ వస్తుంది.
We spoke about something which we can't reveal about. And also we were just thinking, last we took out the bikes, all of us, literally when we came back from Ladakh. After that till now we didn't even start it.
స్టార్ట్ చేసిన
Start karke
స్టార్ట్ చేసి
అవతార్ పే round
లేదు, స్టాండ్ కూడా తీయలే, ఓన్లీ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన అంతే.
start కూడా చేయలే. I'm planning the trip.
అరే నీకు లీవ్స్ ఇవ్వాలంటే బోర్డు ఎత్తేయాలి. బీప్.
ఇంకా మొత్తం బీపే రా ఛానల్. Shiva, did you decide the car? అది కూడా బీపా.
ఇంకా అదే లేదు.
Shiva drove like 130,000 kilometers. Honda Amaze ko salute.
అయిపోయిందిరా 131,000 కిలోమీటర్స్.
రేపు కలిస్తే మనం 132,000 అంటాడు. బట్ వీఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ జెన్యున్లీ we're thinking about Creta, Innova, not Creta.
రిటైర్ లేదా అసలు లిస్ట్ లో.
If you guys have the new Jeep, tell us if it's good or not.
యప్,
We need a review about that because Shiva might be planning, might be Innova.
అరే వీడికి ఆల్కహాల్ బాగా ఎక్కింది, ఇంకో లాగేసుకుంటారు.
నా chewing gum దొబ్బి
5 నిమిషాల్లో 3 ఎగిరినాయి ఇక్కడ.
ఇవాళ క్యూ మాడిపోవాలి దీని గురించే. Just now Shiva was wondering, is this the backup camera? This is not the backup camera. This might be the main camera when we go into restaurants, coffee shops where people see this huge thing. People are saying, are you filming? Are you making a movie? So that is the time when we open this chota sa camera.
చూడు చేతిలో
ఆ
దాక్కుని
రెడ్
Cute one,
లైట్,
చూడు.
రెడ్ లైట్ ఒక్కటే
ఈ పంది చూడు 5 కిలోలు చేతిలో. Only thing is the camera doesn't have a wide angle lens, so it's literally on my face like that.
వైడ్ గా పెట్టు.
Oh Shiva, we also have flip.
అబ్బా మరి నేను దయ్యంలో ఉన్నారా?
రాత్రి కూడా అట్లానే
ఈ లైట్ కింద.
Oh yeah, but nice, sir. Good, na?
గుడ్ లో లైట్.
We are set.
చార్జ్ మనీయా.
Alright, I did not expect this vlog is going to be so long, but it was really nice testing out the new camera. It's not that I'll be shifting completely to that camera because somehow, you know, when I look into this camera, it feels nice. I feel more comfortable vlogging with the huge setup. Got used to it. Obviously, since almost 2 to 3 years, I've been using a big camera. But, you know, like I told you, there are some situations where it gets really difficult to take this huge camera. It's a very nice camera. As of now, I'm really impressed. But still, I'll be doing 1 or 2 more tests on that particular camera. And if I really like it, then I'll showcase it to you. I can do it now itself. I really want to experiment first. I want you people to comment down if you've seen like a major difference between the, so obviously there's going to be Zameen Asman ka difference on the A7 S3 versus that. It's not going to be like noiseless like this one. This is like the GSA. That is like a, no, let's not name any brand now. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do, right? Hit the like button, do share, do comment. I mean, seriously, watch till now. I think you should do all this and go. Chalo, see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.